Hello my dear all friends, how are you? Our team explained you last night why we take entry buy of gold chart. Our team explained you this entry at this. So please understand. Look, this is our resistance area. And this is our support area SNR. So this is a really base, really. And this is our high, and this is a higher high. If we convert line chart, look high. Higher high resistance, really base, really SNR. If we look here, now we check M30 chart. This is our M30 chart, look here, high. Higher high, really base, really with bullish engulfing. We have two rejections or two resistance areas same. When market retest here and make bullish engulfing, our entry may start from here and our TP will be.
Friends, how are you from our team? Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
XAUUSD Fibonacci. First reversal area, look here. This was our TP for 615. So our this method is SN or supply demand. Because this is a really base drop supply area, and this is a really base really demand zone. So we see here SN, R. SND supply and demand bullish engulfing high. Higher high when market closing higher high. So we apply here Fibonacci, and with Fibonacci set high to low. And this is our reversal zone and our TP1. So when market retested SNR, SND area and making hair bullish engulfing, so our entry confirmed from 4.
5924615
Our team explains every day all entries and make the video and telling you how. We have our team take entries with which methods. So I hope you understand this method. Thanks.
Friends, how are you from our team? Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.